Hi, it's John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Thomas. Thomas has been trading with us from the 4th of January 2021 up until 30th of June 2021. Thomas has a daily gain of 0.06%, a drawdown of 10.91%. He's actually hit his drawdown, which is very interesting, but he's come back to hit 10%. We've had quite a few traders hitting their drawdowns and still coming back to hit 10%. So this gets to tell you it's not game over when you hit the drawdown. You have a conversation with the risk manager, you do it in a trading plan, and you just take your time and build up your confidence, and this will definitely make you a confident trader coming back. You've traded 1,163 times and you made 540.6 pips. That's a long time. So you've been trading for 6 months, and overall you made 749 trades out of 1,163, which represents 64% success rate. You lost 414 out of 1,163 trades, which represents 36%. So well done, congratulations on that. Coming back from a drawdown to hit 10% is a very difficult task, but discipline, consistency, and you stayed in this business for 6 months. You built your confidence, and definitely you can go all the way. But what we need to look at is how you can hit your 10% with less trades, not having excessive trades in the thousands and hundreds. So I hope a lot of lessons were learned from here. Looking at the monthly analytics, you made 2.5% in January, minus 0.86 in Feb, minus 4.74 in March, 3.5% in April, minus 0.66% in May, and 16% in June. So well done on that. Looking at some of your histories, and just as I thought, you're not using stop losses in place and take profits. But if anything, if you're not going to have a take profit in place, always have a stop loss in place. That's very good money management, risk management. That will definitely reduce all your deficits, and more importantly, give you an opportunity to get consistent gains and control your pair, not the market controlling you. As we can see, you're holding trades for 2 days on euro pairs, but it's very dangerous holding pairs overnight with no stop loss. So it's something that we encourage, which is good practice, and I'm sure very soon the risk manager will definitely ask traders to be putting trades with stop losses. Looking at the pairs as well, you can see the euro US dollar pairs, you've been doing that very well. So let's see what pairs you traded to help you get to that level. You've had quite a few pairs, and what I recommend, because of this is an excessive account, stick to what makes you the most pips. And as we can see, the euro yen, you made $2,226.50. You made $553.60 on the pound AUD, and all the other pairs you just scraped here and there, a few hundreds. But let's stick to the euro yen and pound AUD as your main pairs, and find 2 other pairs to play with. Stick to these 4 pairs. Less is more. Be more disciplined and consistent. Stick to your strategy, and I guarantee you'll see significant results. So I wish you all the best, and congratulations on your achievement. There's always room for improvement as a trader, and I recommend you join the AudaCity community app, where you make much more gains, network with like-minded individuals, and be a successful trader. So I wish you all the best, and congratulations on your 10%.